everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm back with a quick tutorial. I know a lot of people have been asking how to use this ruler, and I thought it'd be a lot easier just to pop on and show you than rather than write and try and explain it in the comments. So this is how I use this particular ruler. Other people may use it differently, but this is how I use it. So on the side here, I'm going to hold this up so you can see. You've got each part is in inch across there. And then each of these dashes, so if you said this one in the centre here, that's 1/2 inch. Then you've got 1/4 inch each side. And then each one of these is 1/8 inch. So if you needed a piece of material that was, say, 2 inches and 3/8, you'd go to this line here. Or if you needed a piece of material that was 2 inches and 1/8, you go to there and cut there. I'll just hold that. So you'd work from this side, and so if you was going for 2 inches and 1/8, you'd have it there, and then obviously you'd have this down flat, and then you use this edge because it'll give you a nice straight edge, and you'd cut with your rotor cutter down there. And then obviously if you needed it, say 2.5 inch, you'd cut there. 2 inches and 3/8, you cut there. Hope that explains it. If you're working, you'd work on this side, because obviously on this side you've got 1/2 inch. So if you just needed 1/2 inch, then you'd lay it on that side and just cut along that line. But you'd be working mainly on this side of the ruler. This one also has angles on it, so it has a 30 degree, a 45 and a 60 angle. So you would line your piece of material. So if you wanted to cut a 45 degree angle, you would line the ruler on your piece of material. I hope you can see this at the bottom now, on the 45 degree angle. So you'd lay that flat like so, and then you've got the 45 there, and then you'd cut. So that would give you the 45, and then obviously you do the same for the 60 and the 30. Yeah, so that's how I use this. I hope that helped, guys. And as always, guys, I'd like to thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Take care, guys. Bye.